So Jain student, now I'm going to tell you about the next topic, that is factorization of quadratic trinomial. Factorization of quadratic trinomial. See, factorize x square plus 9x plus 18. You have to factorize x square plus 9x plus 18. How do we factorize? See, first what is the coefficient of x square? X square का coefficient कुछ भी नहीं है, means 1 है, right? So 1 into x square plus 9x plus 18. First we multiply this constant term with the coefficient of x square. It will be 18 1 ja 18, correct? Now factorize 18. 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. So this is the factorization of 18, correct? 18 को हम 3 into 3 into 2 लिख सकते हैं. Now see that we have to convert this 18 in such a way that we get two numbers like 3 and 6, so that sum of 3 and 6 is the middle term 9 and product of 3 into 6 is last term 18. जो हम 18 1 जा 18 किए हैं, राइट, उसको फैक्टराइज किया. फैक्टराइज करने पे हमें 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 मिला, राइट. अब इसमें से हमें दो नंबर ऐसे चूज करने पड़ेंगे, जैसे 3 2 जा 6 और 3 रहेगा ही, राइट. तो ये 3 और 6 दो ऐसे नंबर हैं जिनको ऐड करने पर ये मिडिल वाला नंबर आना चाहिए और मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 6 जा 18 लास्ट वाला टर्म आना चाहिए, राइट. So we can write 9x as 6x plus 3x. Last term 18 will remain 18. Now take x as a common. It will be x plus 6. Take 3 as a common. X plus 6. Now x plus 6 will be common. It will become x plus 3 and x plus 6. Correct? Now see one more example. Factorize 6x square plus 7x minus 3. How to factorize this? Again 3 6 जा 18. 18 को फैक्टराइज करते हैं. 2 9 जा 18, 3 3 जा 9, 3 1 जा 3. यहाँ पे x का कोफिशिएंट 6 है, इसलिए 3 6 जा 18, करेक्ट. नाउ सी convert the given factor in two numbers so that their sum is 7 and their product is 6 3 ja 18, correct. So two numbers are 3 3 ja 9 and 2. So 9 to 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2 become 7, right, and 9 2 ja 18, correct. So 9 2 is a combination. For the place of 7x we can write 9x minus 2x minus 3. Take 3x as common, it will become 2x plus 3. Take minus 1 common, 2x plus 3. Now take 2x plus 3 common, it will become 3x minus 1, correct. See one more example. 2x square minus 5 upon x plus 1 upon 12. Take 12 as a LCM, it will become 1 upon 12 outside, 12 2 ja 24, 6 4 ja 24 and 4 5 ja 12 as a LCM, 6 2 ja 12, 2 5 ja 10, 12 1 ja 12, 1 here, right. So this is again become quadratic trinomial, right. So 2 24 1 ja 24, factorize this. 2 12, 2 6, 2 3 3 1. Factors are 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3. So convert the given factor in two numbers so that their sum is 10 or difference is 10 and product is 24, correct. So 2 2 ja 4 one number and 3 2 ja 6 other number. 6 4 10, 6 4 10 and 6 4 ja 24. So at the place of 10 you can write minus 6x minus 4s minus 6 minus 4 minus 10, and this will be 1, right. Take 6x common, become 4x minus 1 minus 1 common, 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1 common, so 6x minus 1, correct. Take one example to explain the factorization of quadratic trinomial. See this example. Root 3x square plus 11x plus 6 root 3, correct. So multiply 6 root 3 with root 3. It will become 6 root 3 root 3, 3 into root 3 into root 3, 3 3 6 ja 18. Factorize 18. 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. So convert the given factors in form of two numbers so that their sum or difference become 11 and product is 18. So 3 3 ja 9 and 2. 9 2 sum is 11 and 9 2 ja 18. Correct. So at the place of 11 we can always write 9x plus 2x. Correct. Now see, we can always take root 3 as a common. Root 3 x is common, so root 3x common. Here will become x and here 9x upon root 3. As root 3 is common, here is no root 3, so in denominator we'll have to write root 3. यहाँ पर root 3 तो है नहीं है, राइट? तो root 3 कैसे कॉमन होगा? तो हमें डिनोमिनेटर में root 3 लगाना पड़ेगा ताकि जब ये अंदर मल्टीप्लाई हो तो root 3 कैंसिल होके फिर से वही आ जाए, राइट? x था तो वो कॉमन हो गया. यहाँ पे हम 2 कॉमन ले लेते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर x है तो यहाँ इसको भी x बनाने के लिए हमें 2 कॉमन लेना पड़ेगा. सो 2x एंड 2 यहाँ पर 6 रूट 3 अपॉन में 2, राइट? थिंग इज सेम, राइट? यहाँ पर भी मैंने अपॉन में 2 कर दिया, यहाँ पर भी रूट 3 को अपॉन में कर दिया क्योंकि ये रूट 3 नहीं था. यहाँ पे 2 कॉमन ले सकते थे, 3 लिख सकते थे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, राइट? नाउ सी रूट 3x बिकम सेम. x प्लस रूट 3 को ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे क्योंकि ये रेशनलाइज कर रहे हैं डिनोमिनेटर को. रूट 3 ऊपर रूट 3 नीचे और यहाँ पे 2 3 जा 6, राइट? नाउ सी रूट 3 बिकम 3 एंड 3 3 जा 9. Correct. This will remain same. This will be 3 root 3. Correct. Now see x plus root 3. X plus root 3 is common here. Root 3x plus 2. This will be the factorization. Now see one more example. 5 3x plus 1 का whole square plus 6 3x plus y minus 8, right? 5 3x plus y का whole square plus 6 3x plus y minus 8. You can see that 3x plus y is common in both, right? So take 3x plus y as z, another variable, right? So at the place of 3x plus y we can always put z. So 5z is square plus 6z minus 8. Now 5 8 ja 40, correct? Factorize 40, 220, 210, 25, 5 1 ja 5. So 5 8 ja 40. After factorization we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, right? Now convert the given factor in two numbers so that their sum or difference is 6 and product is 40. दो नंबर को कन्वर्ट करते हैं. So 2 2 जा 4 and 2 5 जा 10, right? 4 and 10. तो 10 और 4 का कॉम्बिनेशन 10 minus 4 will give 6, right? At the place of 6 we can write 10z minus 4z here minus 8, right? Take 5z common, it will be z plus 5 to 10 minus 4 common z plus 2. Z plus 2 is common in both, so z plus 2 here 5z minus 4. Now we will have to put 3x plus y at the place of z. So 3x plus y at the place of z will become 3x plus y plus 2 at the place of z, 3x plus y plus 2 and 5z minus 4, it will be 5 at the place of z. You will have to put 3x plus y, right? So 5 3x plus y minus 4. Now 3x plus y plus 2 will remain same. 5 3 are 15, 5y minus 4. Thank you.